If you've ever looked at someone and wondered why they look so broad and aesthetic even in a simple t-shirt, it's probably because they have a V-taper. The good news? You don't need elite genetics to build one. Over the next 60 days, I'm going to show you exactly what muscles to build, which exercises to do, how many sets and reps to perform, what to eat, and the biggest mistakes that stop people from ever getting that V-shaped physique. But first, what is a V-taper? The V-taper is simply an illusion. The wider your shoulders, the wider your lats, and the smaller your waist, the bigger and more aesthetic you'll look. Notice I didn't say bigger arms. You can have 18-inch arms and still look blocky if your frame has no width. Step 1. Build wide shoulders. Your side delts are probably the fastest way to make yourself look wider. Forget chasing heavier shoulder presses. Most of your effort should go into lateral raises. Do these variations to get bigger side delts. Number 1. Cable lateral raises. Complete 4 sets of controlled 12 to 15 reps. Number 2. Dumbbell lateral raises 3 sets of controlled 12 to 15 reps. Number 3. Machine lateral raises 3 sets of clean 15 to 20 reps. That's around 14 to 20 quality sets weekly. Technique: don't swing, don't shrug. Raise until your elbows reach shoulder height. Lower slowly. If you have to use momentum, the weight is too heavy. Step 2. Build wider lats. The lats are the wings of your body. If your back doesn't grow outward, you won't get the V shape. Start this way. Monday, wide grip lat pull down. 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Pull-ups or assisted pull-ups. 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. Straight arm pull down. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Thursday, close grip lat pull down. 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Single arm cable pull down, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Chest supported row, lat focus, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Technique: stop pulling with your hands, pull with your elbows. Imagine driving your elbows into your pockets. That one cue alone can completely change your back growth. Step 3. Don't ignore upper back. A lot of people grow wide, but they never look powerful. That's because they ignore thickness. Do chest-supported rows, seated cable rows, face pulls, 2 to 3 exercises every week, around 8 to 12 total sets. This improves posture, which instantly makes your V-taper look better. Step 4. Keep your waist small. Here's where people mess up. You don't build a V-taper by making your waist bigger. Avoid heavy-weighted side bends. Train your abs, but don't overdo oblique work if your goal is purely aesthetics. Most importantly, stay lean. Even losing 5 to 8% body fat can completely change how wide your shoulders appear. Step 5. Eat to grow. Training is only half the equation. If you're skinny, eat 200 to 300 calories above maintenance every day. Aim for 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Good protein sources: chicken, eggs, fish, paneer, Greek yogurt, milk, protein powder if needed. Don't fear carbs: rice, potatoes, oats, pasta, fruit. These fuel your workouts. Healthy fats: peanut butter, nuts, egg yolks, olive oil. Step 6. Recover like you mean it. I've said it before, muscles don't grow inside the gym. They grow while you recover. Sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Drink enough water, don't skip rest days, train hard, recover harder. Step 7. Progressive overload. This is the step almost everyone ignores. Every week, try to do one of these. 1 extra rep, a little more weight, or slightly better form. If you're lifting exactly the same weight after 60 days, don't expect a different body. Biggest mistakes: skipping back day, training shoulders once a week, not eating enough, changing workouts every session, ignoring sleep, being inconsistent. You don't need perfect genetics, you need consistency. Train hard, eat enough, recover properly. Stay consistent for the next 60 days and you'll be on your way to building the V-taper you've always wanted. Most people know what to do. Very few actually stick with it. Be one of the few. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Subscribe to Project Brute for more practical fitness and self-improvement content. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, see ya.